Arrive in style with this 2000 Chrysler Voyager base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, passenger seat mounted armrest, front bucket seats, AM/FM radio, cassette, front anti-roll bar, and driver vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.